In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VPN in Microsoft Edge. Setting up a VPN in your browser can greatly enhance your online privacy and security and allow you to browse the internet with more anonymity. Whether you're looking to access restricted content or simply want to add an extra layer of protection, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, you'll need to make sure you have Microsoft Edge open and ready to go. If you haven't already installed it, simply download it from the official website and get it installed on your device. Once you're all set up, go ahead and launch the Edge browser. It should open up with your homepage or a new tab. Now that you have Edge open, let's move on to configuring the VPN extension. Start by looking for a three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of your browser window. This is generally known as the Settings and More menu. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Take a moment to scan through it and click on Extensions. This area is where you manage all the extensions installed on your Edge browser. Here you can see which ones are active, and it's also where you'll install your new VPN extension. At the top of the extensions page, you'll find a link that says Get Extensions from the Microsoft Store. Clicking on this link is going to take you to the Edge add-ons store, where you can find a variety of extensions. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar near the top. Type VPN into this search bar and hit enter. This search will provide you with several VPN options, but it's crucial to choose a VPN extension from a reputable provider to ensure your data is protected. Some popular options to consider are VPN, Planet VPN, or NordVPN. Take a moment to read through the options available and click on one that suits your needs and has positive reviews. After selecting a VPN extension, you'll see a button that says Get. Simply click on it, and then a prompt will appear asking if you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. Once the extension is added, a small icon should appear near the top right of your browser showing the extension. Click on this icon to open up the VPN extension interface. Here you'll need to sign in with your VPN credentials or configure the VPN settings to suit your requirements. This usually involves entering your login information or selecting a preferred server location. And there you have it, your VPN is now configured and added to Microsoft Edge. You can turn it on and off as needed directly from the extension icon. Enjoy safer and more private browsing as you explore the web with your newly installed VPN extension. Feel free to revisit any of the steps if you need clarification, and enjoy your enhanced browsing experience.